Hi everyone, let's go ahead and get started with clone your own voice lesson. So in this particular lesson, I'm going to show you how you can clone voice using your reference voice. Here, I'm going to have my reference voice. Thereafter, I'll showing you how you can finally clone your voice. So all these I'm going to show you here step by step so that you can learn here everything that how the cloning happens. And one important, in fact, one funny thing I'm going to show you at the last of this video that how you can take over the Iceland. Trump is taking over the Greenland, so I decided to take over the Iceland. So I wrote a script and thereafter I cloned my voice. And this is how it has finally generated. You just listen this. Some part I'm just going to show you here. After that, at the end of this video, you will be listening this complete speech there. Let's start here.
Folks, incredible place, Iceland, tremendous ice, the best ice, they call it Iceland. But let me tell you, not enough ice, sad. I looked at it and I said, why aren't we running this? We have experience. We do ice, we do cold, we do hats. Great.
Yes, I do everything, right? So I can take over that. Anyway, joke apart, this is really good model. I have tested this and the quality, the output quality we get with this Qwen3-TTS model is excellent, basically. You can just go ahead and try it out. I have provided here the code link. You can just simply come here at this website, github.com, Lakshmi made it, voice cloning Qwen3-TTS. You can download this code and then you can just simply get started with this. You don't need any kind of the GPU. Currently, I tested it on my personal laptop, which does not have any kind of the GPU. It has just Intel Ultra 7 processor and some 16 GB of the memory. In that, it is perfectly working fine. It took almost 1 to 2 minutes to generate a complete voice, but it was perfectly fine. All right. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel so that whenever I post new videos, you'll be able to get the latest update. Let's go ahead and get started with this. I'll see you then. Let's go ahead and see how you can get started with this. So they have it here at GitHub, Qwen3-TTS, and they have three important model in this. They have voice design, then they have voice clone. Apart from that, you have this custom voice generation. Basically what happened here, basically you want to generate some, the custom voice. You can give their description in the natural language. Let's say you want voice of 17-year, some female, and then you can describe some, country wise and describe the pitch, softness, etc. Then this model will be able to generate the audio in that manner as well. Thereafter, you can use this clone voice to generate your full audio. Let's go ahead and get started with this and then see how you can clone. What you have to have here, basically, you need to have just a sample voice. Apart from that, you just need to have there a script of this sample voice. So sample voice script is here.
All right, let's go ahead and get started with
So it's
coding.
a script is all right. Let's go ahead and get started with the coding. So this is the sample script. But before that, we need to get started with the setup. First of all, you need to install here necessary packages. So they tell that you need to install here Qwen3-TTS. Basically, it comes like Qwen-TTS. I'm just going to create it here. All right, I'm just going to say here don't show. Generally, they prefer that we need to install it into a new environment variable. I also prefer that, but it is fine to get started with this. Also, you will notice here I'm using here a computer. There is no GPU. All right, so I'll show you how you can create it on your personal laptop. All right, although it is installing here the transformer and other stuffs, obviously we will need that on the CPU as well. It took almost no time to install everything. Depending on your internet speed and the computer speed, it might take some time. For me, it took like 3 to 5 seconds. And I'm using here Intel Ultra 7 laptop without any kind of the GPU. If you have a GPU, then you also need to install this library as well. So you need to install here flash attention as well so that you can leverage GPU acceleration as well. Let's go ahead and install it as well for you. All right. Since I don't have a GPU, that is why it is getting failed. But if you have a GPU, then it is going to be installed there without any issue. Excellent. Now all the installation part is done. Let's go ahead and get started with the notebook setup. It is going to be super simple. First of all, you need to make sure that you select a proper environment, whatever the environment you use to install your libraries. Once that is selected, thereafter you just need to simply load your model. It is going to be like this. from Qwen3-TTS, import Qwen3-TTS model. All of these things are coming from its documentation itself. As you can clearly see here at the bottom, they have described how we can get started with this, like Qwen3-TTS, import Qwen3-TTS model. Then we just need to provide all kind of the model here. So currently they have two type of the model here which can work as the voice cloning model. First model, they have 1.7 billion base model, and the other one is 0.6 billion parameter. That's the 600K parameter. And that one is a lot faster, but you will find out a lower quality output in that case. Let's go ahead and test with the larger model. So I just simply come here again. I'm going to select the base one. Other one is 0.6 billion base model. I'm going to select here a device map as auto. In your case, if you have a GPU, then it is going to work with the GPU as well. If you put your cursor here, then you can see all the input parameters here. Let's run this. It is going to execute here. Once that part is done, thereafter we are just going to provide the reference for our audio and also the reference text data. I'm just going to put this code and I'm going to provide my reference audio. My reference audio is inside the data / Lakshmikant.web. This is my reference audio. The reference text which I have spoken in Lakshmikant.web. Let me just let me just get that here. All right, let's go ahead and get started with coding. So this was the text which I had spoken there. I'm just going to copy that from there and then I'm going to paste it here. All right, let's go ahead and get started with coding. First time it will take time because it needs to download from the internet. That is why it is still running here. It is almost 1 minute. Don't worry about that. Once download is done, thereafter it is gonna load in your computer RAM or GPU memory, whatever you have here. In meantime, we can prepare the rest of the code. Thereafter, model.generate voice clone. So reference audio is going to come from here. Thereafter, this text is going to come from here. Thereafter, there is the target text data. So the target text data you have here, like text you want to synthesize in clone voice. So I'm going to give here some text data, a proper text data, so that we can have here a proper output. I'm just going to find out here. I have somewhere. Let me just copy and paste it for you. I'm just going to paste it here. Let's go ahead and provide it into a 3 code. All right, here it is. So it is going to be like this. In this video, I'll show you how to get started with Qwen3-TTS and do voice cloning using just a few simple steps. No training, no fine tuning, just one reference audio and the text data. All right, so it took a little bit time to download all these files, models in fact. Now we have everything ready here. Let's go ahead and run this. So it is also going to take some time. Once that is done, seems like some error is coming here. Some missing positional requirement. Okay, let me just see that. What we are missing here. We have here text data. So seems like that part is missing here. So this need to be the text actually. Instead of the target text, this need to be the text here. Let's run this. So we have reference audio, reference text, and here is the final text data which we want to generate in my audio here. If you put your cursor here, you can see all the detail, what you can provide here. You can also provide here some prompt as well, like you want to dictate how voice need to be generated. All right, you can clearly see here, if you scroll it down, you can see for what purpose they use this cloning. Seems like that is not written or written somewhere. I'm not able to find out that. Here it is. All right. Seems like no description is provided here, but with the name, it is pretty much clear that if you provide there some clone, with that you can direct how your voice need to be generated here. Let's wait for some time so that this full audio can be generated. Once you have this full audio, thereafter we just need to simply save your audio. So saving is going to be super simple. Let's go ahead and write that code as well here so that we can just simply save that. So code is going to be like this: import sound file as sf, then sf.write cloned speech.web, and then we are just going to write it simply. All right, let's run this. and wait for some time. All right, now you can clearly see here it took almost 90 seconds to complete. There is no GPU, remember. We are running it on a simple CPU with the Ultra 7 Intel chip. Let's go ahead and listen
In this
this.
video, I'll show you how to get started with
Wow,
Qwen3-TTS and do voice
this is
cloning using
awesome.
just a few simple steps. No training, no fine-tuning, just one reference audio and text.
Wow, this is awesome. You see how good it is. This is awesome. Let me just put here a script which I created. So it is like Mr. Trump is taking over Iceland and he's doing a press conference. Let's go ahead and see how it is going to look like in my voice. So here is my text data I'm going to have here, and then I just paste it here. All right, so it is going to be like this. You see how he does all these press conference that he's taking over some country. So I'm just gonna write that here. Okay. Let me just remove these special character. These need to be the UTF-8 characters actually. Okay. Wow, this is going to be awesome. Okay, cool. Once you have this, then I just need to simply copy this from here and then I paste it here. Instead of this text, what I have here, I already got my text data. So I'm just gonna put that here. It is going to be like this. I have my text data and then simply I need to copy this from here and just paste it here. Sf.write clone speech. I'm gonna say here Iceland. Wow, this is awesome. Let's run this. So it might take some time because this is quite large text here. So it might take like 2 to 3 minutes. So we are just going to wait for some time. Once it is generated, then we are going to listen this. Guys, hold your seats tight. He's taking over the Greenland, but I'm taking over the Iceland. Let's go ahead and check it out. So here, this is done. Let's go ahead and click.
Folks, incredible place, Iceland, tremendous ice, the best ice, they call it Iceland. But let me tell you, not enough ice, sad. I looked at it and I said, why aren't we running this? We have experience. We do ice, we do cold, we do hats. Great hats, the Vikings, nice people, strong people, but they stopped conquering. Big mistake, huge. I'd go over there, shake hands, very firm handshakes, and say, congratulations, you're now part of a very classy deal. We'd rename it Trumpland, still cold, much better branding, volcanoes. We love volcanoes. They're like golf courses that fight back. And the northern lights, wow, I'd make them brighter. People say how leadership Greenland got nervous. Relax. Iceland knows a winner when they see one. Believe me, no one takes over imaginary countries better than me. Nobody.
This is awesome. This is awesome. So, guys, now you know how you can clone the voice. This is all about in this video. All right. Bye bye. Take care.